Why is my sump pump alarm going off? It could be a couple of reasons. It could be that this plug has lost power. One way to tell, well, this is pretty loud. This was going off when I got here. I want to check and see that it has power. So the lamp came on, it has power. But what's been going on here is the pit was full up to here. And when the water hits these two prongs here, it activates the alarm and this water backup pump, the Liberty SJ10A. It has an alarm, which is a good idea because when this electric pump fails and the water level rises up to activate this pump, it hits this second float and it sets off the alarm. The alarm lets you know that your water bill is starting to go up, because whenever this starts pumping, the water meter starts counting. So what was happening is this float switch wasn't working. It's been here about 3 years. The warranty, it's a 3-year warranty. It's been here about 4 or 5 years almost, this basement. So if this was full of water, like up to here, you could like wiggle the pipe a little bit, and sometimes that'll get it going. But if you break one of these, you got a bigger mess. So if you could reach in there with like a stick or something and just wiggle that, it'll turn the pump on until you get a plumber out to change the pump, which I'm going to do right now, and show you how to do it. So the water comes up here, it hits these two prongs, and the alarm goes off. She's got this didn't run gravity. This storm drain system ran to the main sewer and it went out under the porch out of the basement here, and toilets and everything are tied into it. That pipe was bad under there, so we dug out in the yard and rerouted the sewer around the side of the house so we didn't have to dig under her porch and all that. And we came in the side right here and installed a backwater valve. The city sewer had been backing up here real bad. So we installed a backwater valve here, and that goes to this bathroom and laundry over here. This basement flooded all the way up to the electrical panel. It was like 4 feet high. And there's another check valve here. We branched this line off and we're gonna run to that bathroom, and we ran another one over to this bathroom upstairs. So there's 2 check valves. So when the city sewer backs up, which it will, this house and the house next door both would flood real bad. So now, since we put this in 4 or 5 years ago, whenever the city sewer backs up, it shuts those doors, and then the groundwater gets pumped out right here. She just stops using the toilets and stuff. She knows when it's happening because the guy next door starts throwing his stuff outside, dragging it up from the basement and cussing and screaming. He doesn't have one of these systems put in here, so if he had one of those, he wouldn't have to be worrying about that. Let's switch this pump out. just gonna put this in there snug. You don't have to tighten this up real tight. Just a little snug.
Freak the hell out, bro!
Lift this up once a month. Reach down there once a month and pull that up.